Submittable gives you the flexibility to send your applicants additional forms to collect information needed at various points throughout your process. Additional forms are the perfect way to check in or follow up with applicants, gather progress reports, or gather more detailed information that is only needed as applicants move along in your process, such as payment information. Begin by creating an additional form using Submittable's signature drag and drop form builder. Just as with your initial form, gather responses using a variety of question types. Use file uploads to empower applicants to share impact data through various types of media such as photos and videos. Choose open-ended questions, collect demographic data to measure progress towards your DEI goals, and even collect payment information securely through dedicated form fields. Choose to send your additional form in bulk or to any subset of your submitters using our robust set of filters. Once you've chosen your recipients, select additional forms. Save time by using a pre-built email template, which you can then personalize further before sending. You can even set your additional forms to run on autopilot by scheduling and applying corresponding deadlines in advance. Your recipients will receive a notification inviting them to fill out the form via their existing Submittable account. If you choose to enable collaboration, the recipient can opt to invite additional collaborators to participate in completing the form, such as teammates, family members, or someone who can help them with language or technology. As the forms are completed, they'll be easily accessible and organized within the original submission for your reviewers to access. From the submission list view, you can easily scan or filter for which submitters have been sent or have completed an additional form. On the Additional Forms tab, you can access an overview and manage your additional form requests. Using the Manage Additional Forms Request link next to each form, review the status of your requests. Filter between sent and scheduled forms, and filter these requests further by project, status, and date sent or scheduled, and even deadlines. Once filtered, take quick bulk actions such as opening a form for editing or sending a reminder to complete requested forms. Additional forms can help keep a sophisticated process neat and elegant for both you and your applicants. So go ahead, try out an additional form and see how much more you can achieve with Submittable. Thanks for watching.